This is T. Ravikumar from Mahabubnagar district. Now I am explaining about Europe continent map pointing. Observe the Europe continent map. Seas and oceans are surrounded by Europe continent, such as Atlantic Ocean in the west side of the Europe continent. Mediterranean Sea is in the south side of the Europe continent. Arctic Ocean is in the north side of Europe. Black Sea and Caspian Sea are in the southeast direction of Europe continent. Observe the Europe continent map. England is an island country in the Europe. Iceland, Ireland are also island countries in the Europe continent map. Observe the Europe continent map. Some countries' names are ended with land letters, such as Iceland, Ireland, England, Netherlands, Finland, Greenland. These countries are located in Europe side by side. All these countries have the same word at the end of these country names, like Ireland, Iceland, Greenland, Netherlands, Finland, like this. Observe the Europe continent map. Northern Sea is situated just above Denmark country. Baltic Sea is situated between the Sweden and Finland. Adriatic Sea is east side of the Italy. Italy is look like a shoe shape in the Europe geographical map. Aegean Sea is west side of the Turkey country. Turkey and USA or Russia, both countries are called as a Eurasian countries. Eurasia is a word used to describe Europe and Asian, especially countries that some consider Europe and Asia. Black Sea is situated just above the Turkey. Turkey country is known as a sick man of Europe continent. Described by historians. Observe the Europe continent map. During the First World War between 1914 and 1918 period, Triple Alliance countries like Germany, Austria and Italy, Triple Entente countries like Britain, France, Russia. Observe the Europe continent map. During Second World War period between 1939 1945, Axis powers led by Germany, Italy, and Japan. Allied powers led by Britain or England, USA, France, Russia. Observe the Europe continent map. Denmark, Norway, Sweden. These countries are known as a Scandinavian countries. Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Observe the Europe political map. Finland, Poland. These countries are located in the north direction of Europe. They are situated side by side. Norway, Sweden, Finland, just below Denmark. Observe the Europe political map. Portugal, Spain, both countries are situated side by side in Europe continent. Belgium is beside the Netherlands. Netherlands is also called Holland. The people of Netherlands is called Dutch. Switzerland is between the France and Germany. Observe the Europe political map. Observe the Europe map. Bulgaria country is just above the Aegean Sea, beside the Black Sea. In the southeast direction of Europe continent. Observe the Europe map. Austria, Hungary and Romania, Bulgaria are located in a sequence line in Europe. Observe the Europe map. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine. These countries situated in straight line from the north to south direction in Europe. We also use some symbols like E, L, L and B, U. L represents Latvia, E represents Estonia, L represents Lithuania, B represents Belarus, U represents Ukraine. Observe the Europe political map. Poland is located below the Baltic Sea and just beside the Germany. Czechoslovakia or Czech Republic, Slovakia, both countries are below the Poland country. The immediate provocation of Second World War was Hitler invasion of Poland. Germany is beside the Poland country. Russia is a bigger geographical country in the world. Observe the Europe political map. We shall use some symbols to identify several countries easily, like land countries. These country names are ended with land letters, like Iceland, Ireland, England, Netherlands, Finland, Greenland. And also we use some symbols